because I don't know, you don't know my story. For those of you that don't know, the time I spent in Nigeria I spent time in Nigeria. I always come to Nigeria. Forget whatever the narrative where people are lying. I did not go to Nigeria because of YouTube. Oh. My ticket, I'll post it out. I left London on the 27th of December. I went to my hometown to go and do my charity. For those of you that saw my charity online, I went to my hometown. Can you please mute yourself if you join this live? I don't want to remove anybody. Even if you have anything contrary, stay. I will give you a chance to speak. I went to Nigeria to go and do my charity. I did not go to Nigeria because of YouTube. YouTube was pulled down since when? 2022. So they thought I just went to Nigeria. I normally go to Nigeria.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ wo inú fídíò tẹ́ fẹ́ wò yìí ibẹ̀ ni Maureen Badejo ló ti ṣàlàyé o gbogbo bóun ṣe rìn ní December 27 ní 2025 gbogbo bí ọlọ́pàá ṣe mú òun àwọn bo ló wà nídìí bí ọlọ́pàá ṣe mú òun nígbà tó ọlọ́pàá mú òun tán kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ níbo ni ẹjọ́ dé dúró báyìí ṣé Maureen Badejo ṣó ti free pátápátá ni àbí ó sì ní case láti jẹ́ àṣìṣe ó sì lẹ́jọ́ láti jẹ́ inú fídíò yìí náà lẹ ti máa rí gbogbo ẹ̀ wò ẹ má gbàgbé ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi wò sàlẹ̀ níbi tọ́kọ subscribe sí ẹ click lé subscribe button yẹn ọwọ́ yín tẹ́ fi ń bá wa tẹ subscribe ẹ ní fi gbé ọmọ sí ẹ ò ní fi gba lẹ́tà ìbànújẹ́ o.
Should I go? Why should I go to Nigeria because of it? And they said, and Aduni, let me be saying, Aduni said, I told her, can you please mute yourself, Jack? Jack, please mute yourself. I will allow you to speak. Aduni said, I went to Nigeria because of you too. The YouTube they brought down since 2022. I did not go to Nigeria because of YouTube. I went to Nigeria because of my charity and other things that I do at home. So people should, let's get those one right. And they did not pay me $15,000 for my YouTube, $50,000. The highest I've ever got from YouTube channel. You see my account. Because I need to get something like my YouTube account is available. I've posted my Facebook for all of you to know from 2024 till date. But my YouTube from 2021 till 2022 when they brought it down, I'll bring it out. I've printed it. I'm going to post it. The highest I've ever received on YouTube was $3,000. It was $3,000. You see, why do I have to come out to do this? Because I know there are some people who genuinely love me. Can you help me power tap and share so that other people can listen to it? And it's just to set the record straight. It's not today that blogger has been coming for me. I don't answer them. They are mere distraction. They don't want me to do what I'm doing. So they try other things as face. So the strategy now is to get blogger to come and I don't do saga. I don't do it, and I don't need it. I never discussed with Aduni that I receive $15,000 every month. It is a lie. I put it to her, it is a lie, and she's a liar. Let her bring a proof out. At least the conversation. I have all the conversation, and you are going to listen. You are going to see some of our conversation. Sherry, ẹni tó bá ti jẹ́ àgbàyà ẹlẹ́nu méjì, you can't change them. I call Aduni Alabosi, and I will tell all of you the reason why I call her Alabosi, and I stand by it. And God has proved me right, and event has proved me right. So, anybody that wants to insult. But one thing I know, one thing is constant truth. They've been doing this for the past few years. I'm still standing gidigba. I've never come here to change mouth. Even in the face of oppression, in the face of intimidation, I did not give up. Have you ever seen me come here and say something and come back and tell you it's not like that? No! How did I know Aduni? I was on my own. I don't know Aduni from Adams. Aduni came to me. She called me. Can you please mute yourself? Please, I will allow everybody to speak. I don't want to remove anybody. Aduni came to me on her own. She called me, said, Sister Maureen, I got your number from Facebook. I love what you are doing. I'm one of your followers. Please, we are just starting. Support me in any way you can support me. Support me in any way you can support me. And I said, Karen Kapo, I just said, fine. To my greatest surprise, I helped her to do everything that I think I needed to support a sister. I don't normally call her Aduni. And I would like you to all listen to me. Everything she said, let her bring proof now. Shebi, this is most of our conversation, and even I'll play her voice notes. You will listen. Kila Nkparokun. And Ninu has been on my case since 2022 when I block her off. And why did I block her off? I was online. I went on Facebook and I met Aduni and Bisola Johnson discussing about me. I called in. I know. Me, I said I made 15,000. Some people, sick yo. Say the one where that idiots go carry that. I did not say that. Who played it to you? Cut and join blogger. Cut and join bloggers. You see that video that idiots carry? That was video of 2020 that I did. That money I was talking about before I came to abroad. Now business who I be now. Now business who I be. I did not go to abroad as a poor woman. I have a business that do turnover of about 150 million every month. That was what I was talking there, and it's not a lie. So even blogging, for God's sake, they don't know my story. Do I put anything out there on social media? They don't know my story. All this rubbish. You know, that one started during Genesis case. I refuse to reply bloggers because they want me to validate all their lies. I ignore. And do you all remember we all have families? We all have people that we grew up together. We all have people that we school together. Which of my stream? I said I made 150 million turnover, and you know about the truth. Intercontinental is still there. They will come and stand and wait like this to carry my sales. So what are you saying? That is not for blogging. People should get that. It wasn't blogging. Don't let anybody deceive you. Shebi, when I started blogging, when YouTube started paying me, only time na ye. Ola Great, thank you for the star. I never said I made 15,000 from YouTube. No, I never discussed money with her. And for you to know, let's get to the business. Aduni came to me. She cried to me that their Facebook restricted her view. And I told her, this is not, there's no how they will speak about pastor or do any controversial thing. They will definitely come for you. That you need a backup page. The cover, people should wait, I beg. Especially those of you on this. What is this? What is this, my people? Please, I need that concerning my page. This is Aduni here. She came to me. You remember she called me. She said she needed help, and I've been helping her. I helped her to get monetized. I have proof here. I told her to go and open YouTube. The YouTube she's using to bully me today. I am the one that advised her and guide her how to do it. Ọlọ́run ló máa fìyà jẹ Àdùnní. Tó bá ti jẹ́ òótọ́ ló wá sọ lórí Facebook yìí. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí Facebook, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí YouTube. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ìyá, how are you? This was 14th of November 2021. She came to me. He said, please, I need advice concerning my page. To know how bí Àdùnní ṣe jẹ́ èèyàn burúkú tó. She had to go and look for some of my admin. Láti lọ add her as admin. You know, consign me. Ojú ẹ̀yẹ tẹ́yẹ fún láì farapa. So a lot of people do not understand what's actually going on. So when I told her, go and open back up around this time. you all know, those of you that follow us, Aduni open backup page. I was the one that told her, the posting there, that this one doesn't have restriction, you will be using this one. And she has been, I said there is no how you will talk about pastors, that they will not restrict your page. They will report your videos. They will fight you with everything they have. This thing you want to do, get prepared. And that was exactly what I told her. And she did it. Her YouTube, I will show you what happened during the YouTube one. I told her to go and open restream. I told her, oh yeah, go and do this, how you are going to do your YouTube. And you see this Sule thing that he's talking about. Let people hear. I told her, this, he said, you know, look at the way she lied. Can you please, I'm going to disconnect you anyway. No, I've disconnected that. Oh, sorry, my sister. Sorry, it's not you. Sorry, it's not you. Please rejoin. No. If you know you cannot mute yourself, I'm going to remove you. Please. And the next thing that will happen, this woman, I mind my business. I know they do cho. I know they do. I don't have the time.
They don't want you to talk. Can you remove them? We want to listen to what you are saying, and they are still talking there.
I will remove them. Thank you, ma'am. Please, I don't want to remove everybody. Can you please? I'm begging you. Please mute yourself. I will give everybody chance to speak up their minds. And I am open to answer any question. So please mute yourself. She's the one. You can see the next thing she will do. The next thing Aduni will do again, she said, there was a time I told her to go and open her YouTube. I guide her. I put her through. I did everything I'm supposed to do. And I explained to her, I never come to you to tell you what kind of video. I've never. And that is the more reason I will play your voice notes. I will show everybody our conversation from 2021 till when I block you off. I never for one day do you any evil. It was pure love from a sister. God, I don't know you. You said you want to grow, and I supported you. And Iduni came to me. She brought. Do you remember Mommy Gio? How many of you remember Mommy Gio's story? How many of you remember Mommy Gio's story, please? How many of you remember Mommy Gio's story, my people? Ogulaye, how are you? How many of you yes. Aduni came to me. She brought Mommy Gio's story. She said that lady happened to be her sister. Whereas, I said, where are the evidences? She sent one video to me. And I said, Aduni, Ọlọ́run wá o. And I said, when she brought this Mommy Gio story, Aduni was the one that said she doesn't talk about pastor. Aduni ló bà ayé Mommy Gio jẹ́ lórí bíbá. And at the end of the day, the lady said, Aunty Àdúgbò ni Aduni. She refused, but this is our conversation. Ṣé rí ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa bẹ̀rù àwọn èèyàn tí àwọn tó máa ń dàbí àríro bí Aduni. Aduni continue church moving from one platform to the other. I never come to you. I never. Mo máa jókòó sáyé. This is her. This is where this is what she sent to me. I said, this is not it. Can you see it? And I told Aduni, no, you are going to use Restream. And eventually, this is Restream. This is what I showed. And he said, and I asked her, this Mommy Gio thing, she didn't give me the right information. I did, and I told her, this lady, and I told her, this lady lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ mi jí ó lò kì í ṣe bí òun ó láǹtí àdúgbò ní ẹ́ ó ní kó stop but you went there behind you distributed her case so kò dùn mí o. I am not surprised if somebody you call your sister ìyẹn ní òun ò fẹ́ olóńjìyà yẹn lòun ò jìyà ó ní àǹtí àdúgbò ní ẹ́ but to my greatest surprise I understand what you did. I understand perfectly what you did. Mo dẹ̀ gbé wá báyìí mo dẹ̀ sọ fún ẹ pé wá Àdùnní bó ṣe rí lélẹ́yìí I still help you to do that job. You went and gave it to somebody in America ó ń pín káàkiri fún gbogbo blogger ni. And when we got talking because this house the issue of I said please text Sule boy story this is it and I will still post it. Bring your proof out where I told you say pé Sule ń jáwó gbé jáde. You are a liar and a manipulator. I refuse to reply you for 4 years. Yíyọ ẹkùn kì í ṣe tójó. It's because I don't need fracas. There is no point. There is no point. You said money please check Sule boy story is going viral already. And I refer you to my page and this lover's page. Bring it out bí tí mo ti sọ bó jẹ́ voice note this is your voice note.
Ẹ wo gí tó ní mo paṣẹ pọ̀ mo gbogbo ẹ̀ ọ̀gá máa mo fẹ́ YouTube tí mo ṣí tẹ́lẹ̀ was ẹ ti sọ bí ṣe máa restream anyway so.
Àdùnní ẹ ti sọ bí ṣe máa restream kò dẹ̀ ní da fún ẹ olórí burúkú ni aláìmoore ìka ẹ̀dá ni ẹ kí ló sọ bí.
yóò tí email ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni mò ń lò then ìkànnì àwọn ọmọ mi ló máa ń yẹ fún mi lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan tó bá rí àwọn yòókù ní dá mi lóhùn wọ́n yẹn tí bá ní ẹ wá bá mi ṣe wọ́n á ní mọ́mí àwọn yẹn ṣèdí láti ibi iṣẹ́ kí n jẹ́ káwọn sinmi so èyí tó ń bá mi ṣe yẹn ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan àánú ẹ̀ máa ń ṣe máa rọra fọmọ yẹn lẹ̀ òun ló even kìíní monetization support kìíní tán fún mi lórí Facebook ọmọ yẹn ló ṣe wálẹ̀ tí a fi ṣe báwo ni àwọn ọmọ ń kọ́.
Nigerians ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́ this was I will give you the date this was 10th of December 2021 ṣẹ̀rí alábòsí òní níyì ó máa tẹ́ ni and this eléyìí tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí ó máa ṣẹlẹ́yà ni ó ní mo sọ pé èèyàn kan jáwó no it is a lie it is a propaganda ni so I need you to listen to yourself I'm not surprised ẹni tí òun ṣàbúrò ẹ ó gbé wá sórí Facebook ó lábúrò ẹ ni ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ba ayé ẹ̀ jẹ́ ká.
Can you mute, please? Who is this? Mute.
Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ba ayé ẹ̀ jẹ́ káàkiri Àdùnní máa kọ̀ sí yàn fò please mute yourself you continue to lie jẹ́jẹ́ mi ni mo jókòó mi and why did I call you alábòsí what transpired between us you see all the things you were putting out there just to discredit yourself not me ọjọ́ kan ni òtítọ́ máa jáde and I've told you and I'm still saying it bring out your evidence you said somebody came to me somebody said I'm asking ẹni tó bá ní mo gbowó lọ́wọ́ òun kó kí n tó jà fóun kí n tó sọ̀rọ̀ why don't bring that person out with evidence proof tó fi san 3 million fún mi gbé jáde náà gbé jáde the issue of 15,000 there's nothing like that and I'm going to play that video of that thing that wèrè lẹ́ni tó kọ̀ tẹ̀ oh sorry I'll try my best but I'll continue to speak both English and Yoruba that's because bó ṣe lè dùn lẹ́nu mi ni mo ṣe ń sọ yìí mi ò mọ̀ ẹ́ rí you know what you have done to me on this Facebook mo dá ẹ lóhùn náà you always ṣé friendship na by force is friendship by force friendship is not by force now and for all of you that don't know this woman cook up story I understand her I understand Àdùnní o very well she's on a mission she's a mission and she wants to distract me bí mo ṣe dúró mo wà mi ò rí ti ẹ̀rọ mi ò dá ẹ lóhùn látijọ́ yìí torí pé mo feel pé èmi ò ní jókòó kí n máa pa irọ́ So you want to start saying I continuity. I want to tell those of you that don't ignore me, that are listening to me. Aduni ti ní mental problem. Go and check her. You can see she's sick. Aduni ní dementia. Only the brain evaluation. You see, when people are sick, very soon, ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tàsé, ó ti ń tàsé o, because ó ní problem. She is bitter. Ó ní dementia. Tẹ́ bá jókòó dáadáa, go and check very well. Something is wrong with her. Check her look and everything. You will see. You will see that she's going through a lot. Evidence of my test with you. Mo ti joke ọ̀pọ̀. Oh, even voice note. Okay, let me begin to play voice notes. Ọ̀pọ̀ na so that the refresh memory. Orí ẹ̀ ti yí ni. Somebody that came to me. So Aduni sick. Only dementia. When tó bá ní dementia, ó sì ní memory failure. She was even lying that ẹ̀kọ́ péré ló ń pè mí. Aduni ẹ̀kọ́ ló pè mí. What about these ones? Ẹ̀kọ́ péré ló pè mí. When I block you off, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? For those of you that don't know why I called her Alabosi, why I block her. So ẹ̀rọ Aduni ò jọ mí lójú o. Ẹni tó la inú ẹ̀ tó sọ pé òun ò believe nínú Ọlọ́run. Ta lè mi? So Aduni sick, ó ní mental problem. Wèrè aláṣọ wà. Aduni sick, ó ní mental problem because she came online. Gbogbo ọkọ̀ ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀. Ṣebí o pe rẹ̀ ń blogger. Bring out evidence. Please bring out evidence. Ibi tí mo ti sọ fún ẹ 15,000 mú jáde. Conversation mi àti ẹbí tí mo sọ pé owó èèyàn kan jáwó mú jáde. And for all of you that is listening to me, Aduni is a liar. Aduni did not discuss Otobo with me. Aduni did not discuss Otobo case with me. Why I fall out with Aduni, it was during Ruth Matthew case. And I know some people are here. They understand very well. I came online. I just opened my Facebook and I saw Aduni Abisola Johnson discussing about me. What I did was I had to call, I called in. She picked. All of a sudden she wants to turn herself to the judge. And I told everybody there. I said, what if you are my followers and you want to hear the truth? Please come and listen to the truth on my platform. I am not going to stand here and allow you to be talking trash. And I went back and I did the show and I explained to everybody, and that was all. Thank you, Lolo Empress. And I forgot about it. The next thing I noticed, Aduni later now came to me and come and see what she wrote and my answer. And my answer, I know they do cho. Any blogger wey say I don't do cho come on our platform. Let them come out. I stay on my lane. Not because of anything. I dey on my own, not because of anything. And the next thing I noticed that Aduni just say, Mama, ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yẹn mọ́. Don't talk about Ruth Matthew again. Because, and I said, Aduni, how dare you? You are Alabosi. You talk to me behind closed door. How come you have to put my story out there on Facebook? You don't know this place before. Why don't you come to me before going out? And I told her, I said, you are Alabosi. And let today be, have I ever come on your platform to tell you what to do on your platform? You don't come here to come and tell me to drop one story and not to drop one story. You have no rights. And I warned her. And I said, you are Alabosi. Never in your life. Never in your life come on my platform. I don't want to speak to you again. And what did I do? I just block her off. And immediately I block her off. I don't talk to her. She came online, crying online always. The first one she did, she went to be Alasho Adura. She went to Olo Gbogboro. Not be today you don't dey do am o. I dey ignore you. When she see anything about me, she will rush out like chicken. Mi ò dá lóhùn. She come online, she say all sort of nonsense. I no dey answer her. Because orí ò pé. She has been looking to do saga for a long time. I didn't bother to see her. But to my greatest surprise, coming online to come and lie to everybody that Maureen, mo gba 3 million lọ́wọ́ èèyàn. I use my money, Aduni. I use my money, Aduni. I work. You don't know anything about me. I don't do buga. I don't post. When you see me on this platform, I come to talk and I go. Do you think I'm hungry? And to that thing that I can see some people are writing rubbish here. Anybody that feel that I've done something wrong, let them come out and use their mouth to talk. I never claim that I'm a saint. But for all you care, you are even saying, mobile lórí Facebook ni mo dẹ̀ ti jù ẹ́ lọ. I am not in a competition with anybody. I am not in any competition with anybody. Jẹ́jẹ́ mi mo wà. And after, can you please mute yourself? And after that incident, I stay on my own. I don't even go near her. I block her off everywhere. I am not in a competition with anyone. I was almost off social media doing my business. For all of you that care to listen, Aduni, I call you a liar and a manipulator. And where you are going to, all your followers will soon know who you are. If I can call you Alabosi in 2022, and the Abosi, you are still doing it. Ṣé èmi náà mo ní kó tún lọ bá Rotimi? Àgbàyà ni ẹ́. If you are not àgbàyà, ní máa ṣe chọ́ kiri. You know so many things you've done. It's man way. I say it, you are Alabosi. No apology for that. Rotimi exposed their life. And I decided to carry it. With full chest, you are Alabosi. And why I only reply you once when you want to do damage control. When Doris Ogala and the Damasis want to do damage control, they use you to do damage control because of Ruth Matthew. That was why I came out to speak to you for the first time. And you are doing the same thing now. Welcome. Welcome. Continue. Welcome. Continue. We are gbogbo wa la balùwẹ̀ tó lóhùn òdodo. Ojú wa ni ó ṣe. Mi ò ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ mọ́ o. When I came to the US, did I come to you? I was on my own. At least few people were around. And you ó sáré lọ gba seat fún mi, mò ń wò ẹ́. Thank God the video. Mo tell you, I was surprised. I didn't know. Ogba video snap o sáré jù síta. When they send the video to me, I started laughing. Continue your Abosi. Continue your damage control. Let's see where it will land you. But I don't want to. Truth is constant. Please, can you mute yourself, please? You see, I will continue to laugh, but I challenge you. Anybody gba tó sọ fún ẹ pé conversation èmi àti ẹni tí mo ti download ẹ síbì kan. You came, you begged me. Mo ń ṣọlọ́run mo dẹ̀ ní it's okay, let it slide. Mo jókòó tiẹ̀ and that was all. For me to allow you, Kamari ni, affliction will not rise up the second time. I'm not stupid. I want to be your friend. No, I am not your friend. And I quickly stay on my path. Kí ló dé? Ṣé tipátipá la fi ń ṣọ̀rẹ́ ni? You said you called me. This is your conversation. I don't want àti parí ẹ̀mí ò bá ẹja. I don't want to be your friend. That's why I stay clear. This is what you said.
Hello, Yabawo ni o, ṣàlàáfíà ni. I'm just calling to check up on you. Till that day, I'll call you. Since the network is bad. How are you? Fine. I
try to run away, but you still want to do. You came back and go to bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tó tantrum ẹ torí pé mi ò fẹ́ ṣọ̀rẹ́ ẹ. I don't want to be your friend. Please stay on your path. You even went to start asking about my children. The problem, man. Stay on your lane. Ojú ẹ̀yẹ tẹ́ yẹ fò. So for those of you who are the one that is not here, I'll put it on my page. The one that is not here, I'll put it on my page. I don't want by force, because I don't understand. Because ṣọ́ra fún irú àwọn àdùnní asúnmọ́ni farabalẹ̀ bá tẹni jẹ́. You can imagine I'm very far. Kọ́ni mo ti fira mi lẹ̀ ni. It's going to be She's going to be another thing. She will have come out and be spreading nonsense because I know them. I know them from afar. Mo dẹ̀ rọra jókòó mi. So I'm not surprised when gbogbo eléyìí tó ń ṣe yìí drama ni ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. You were even telling them you had something that you used to name me, that they used to send me today. Tó o bá ní gbé jáde olórí ọmọ àlè ni ẹ́. All the information you have, all the things you have, don't just talk, bring them out. Èmi ò ráyè tiẹ̀ o, àwọn kan ti ṣe. No, she did not talk to me about Otobo. It is a lie. It is a lie. It was Ruth Matthew case that she never discussed any Otobo with me. It is a big lie. I'm going to bring you down. If you can't mute yourself, I'm bringing you down. This person. I'm telling you, Alabosi Aduni. Aduni, the first time she will come to me to talk about this issue, she never discussed Otobo with me. And besides, Otobo story was a viral story. We never discussed about Otobo. And for you to be telling me, even for you to be telling me, where you talk to me on your own, yeah? You are even telling me, how can you come and advise me on what to write, what not to write? My relationship with you never passed the level of Mofe and Kobai, and I give it to you. I am not your friend because I know you are a liar. Because into things say short, I don't want drama. I saw it coming. And even when Sister Africa came to me, start begging for you. Money, this woman, she's a green snake under the green grass. So, Alabosi Aduni o. I don't want trouble. I want to stay on my own. Anything oh shit. Don't beef where. You will go and say another thing outside. You go and say another thing out. Keep your advice to yourself, please. Some of you keep your advice to yourself. I'm not a baby. Anything oh shit. Don't beef where. What does that tell you? You will come to the inbox to say another thing. You will go online to do another thing. I don't two-face. I don't mingle with anybody that can begin to tone their hero. I don't need it. And I stay on my name. That is why you don't see me moving from platform to platform. I don't do it. I am one woman battalion. You all know me. So people coming online to believe her as your own whatever. But I am challenging her that she's Alabosi. And the reason why I call her Alabosi and she ought to display Alabosi yẹn, ìwọ yìí ló máa sọ ìwọ yìí ló máa sọ another thing. Those of you that want to make your, if you want to call in, you are free to call. You know my number. Those of you on TikTok, if you want to talk, my number is +44 7884 958064.
Maureen, you know I'm gonna talk.
That's Susie.
Right? I'm gonna talk. Babes, because a bitch wanted to take the piss. Please,
Susie, don't use that word. Please.
People are here. I know you want to see you have it.
Please, I beg you.
People are here, please.
Please.
Thank you. All right, we have Adishi, if I'm not putting it right. If you have something to say, kindly unmute.
Sorry, I need to check something. We have to be careful of curse words because we can get struck by TikTok.
Yeah.
So please, let's mind our words. If you want to say anything, say it in Yoruba. Don't say BLOOD. Don't say KILL. Okay. Don't say CRY. Okay. You can say them in Yoruba. Don't say them in English. Don't say instead of KILL, say unalive or bind. Okay.
Thank
if you
you.
want to say BLOOD, just say you know. Don't. And if you want to say CRY, just say okay. Don't say that in English. Thank you.
Thank you, real talk with me. Thank you. So if Adish is not here, let's go to Tokumbo. Tokumbo, is it there? Is Tokumbo there?
Welcome.
Okay, Adish is right here. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you very much. Good evening.
Yeah.
Ah, mo ti rántí yín.
I don't want to dwell on our own issue, Jerry. I don't want to dwell
I am.
Please, let's talk about this. Someone is talking.
Please, can we moderate it? Don't interrupt. Let's do it one by one. I'm ready to answer. Whatever your question, if it's necessary for me to answer, if it's not going to, if I need to answer, I'll tell you. If I can't answer, I'll tell you the reason why I can't answer.
Right,
No, Sister Maureen, actually, I don't. You know, if you look at people, all these things you are explaining about the woman. If you look at people, you will understand that this is how these people are. When you look at them, you will understand that this is how they are. And the people that have been in touch before, they are not bad pastor. All these people that will come and tell you that this pastor is wicked, this pastor is good, they have been working with this pastor before. My husband is in this pastor. You will discover that many of them, they are more dangerous than those pastors.
You are correct.
You understand? So I'm not surprised in any of all these things. I'm not surprised in all these things that she's saying, but I just wanted to tell you welcome because I'm very happy to see you.
Thank you very much, sir.
I've been worried since.
We thank God. Thank God.
And there was I don't know if it's something I'm supposed to say, but I don't know if there was a misinformation. I don't know whether if it's a misinformation or
Tell me now. If
it, you with money,
that is a lie. I travel to Nigeria and I'm telling it is a big lie. And I will tell everybody now. Please, I don't want to talk. I went to Nigeria on the 27th of December. Can you please mute yourself? I've been going to Nigeria. I've been going to Nigeria for a long time. At times I spent 3 months. You see, these bloggers, Oloshi, most of them. I went to Nigeria on the 27th of December. This thing happened on the 6th of February. I went to go and do my charity and other things that I need to do. Ọwọ́ ara mi ni mo fi lọ síbẹ̀. Nobody love me with money. It is a lie. Onírọ́ ni gbogbo wọn. Wọn ò mọ̀ pé mo wà ń lù ú. Ẹ má mà dá wọn lóhùn. Wọn ò mọ̀ pé mo wà ń lù ú. Wọ́n wá sọ pé owó wo on top of how much? Am I poor? I'm not poor. Ṣé bí pa mí ni? No. Na today I dey go Naija. My friends are here. Now you remember I posted one video when we were going to my farm. Kò dẹ̀ ní da fún ìwọ tó sọ pé instead of me to keep quiet for what? Kí ni mo ṣe tí mo máa keep quiet? Kò ní da fún ẹ da fún àwọn tó rán ẹ níṣẹ́. Ẹ ń ṣe èrè ni keep quiet for who? So kọ́ máa parọ́ kí n keep quiet. Àbó ló ṣì lélẹ̀ tó wá sí instead of mo ní nobody hear me. Nobody.
Hello, can I talk?
Go ahead.
Issue is that Sister Maureen, please don't be worried about
Madam Tokunbo, wait, let him round up, please.
It's not your turn to talk. You know you can't talk.
Let him round up, please.
You understand? You know, you see all these people. She might even be the one using fake account to comment. So I don't want you to allow them to now pressure you and make you feel. I'm just happy that I'm looking at you now, Seth.
Thank you very much,
You
sir.
understand? I'm just happy that I'm seeing you now. That's just it. So I don't want to delay people. People have more things to talk about.
Right, thank you, Mr. Adish. Next we have Madam Wuraola. Do you have something to say? On mute, please.
Yeah, Mr. Maureen, I just want to say it's nice to see you back.
Same here, ma. Good evening.
Mo kàn fẹ́ kí ni pé a ti miss yín o.
Èmi náà miss everybody. I miss everyone. Honestly, I miss everyone.
That's all. Thank you.
God bless you, ma.
All right, next we have Tokunbo, Madam Tokunbo. Next, you're next to talk. Please unmute. Madam Tokunbo, are you there? All right, let's move to Susie Rati. If she's not there, let's move to Susie Rati. Susie Rati, over to you.
Because I know other people. Let me remove some people.
Maureen.
Babe.
Maureen.
Babe, I hear you.
I'm gonna say this right. Anyone that is seen by Adelaide.
Susie Rati, please hold on. She's back. Let her just quickly say what she has.
So, just to say down, Joe, because I need to leave where I am.
Yes. I just want all this to stop. Please, Maureen, please. I know we love you, but please, I want this to stop.
Okay, that's fine, my
Thank
sister.
you, bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your advice. God bless you.
Maureen, I'm gonna say this because part of me feels that I started all this drama with Adelaide because I was the one that called her out. And the reason why I called her out was because I knew what she had done to Maureen, right? And for her to come online, she knows that Maureen has grown-up kids. And then you come online and you're like, well, what's going to happen to her kids? I'm worried about her kids. Can somebody call her kids? You know that this woman has adult kids, so you're throwing shade indirectly. The next thing after that, you come online and you show some video of some man accusing Maureen of arranging the assassination of Suleiman. What type of nonsense is that? How can you tell me that you are supporting this woman and you are making those suggestions? Are you like crazy? Are you like
you can't speak Yoruba?
No, Maureen, no, Maureen, you know me now. If I don't know,
I know.
I would not. But I don't listen to this woman's show. But the day she sent me the video of one silly man trying to connect you with the assassination of Suleiman, I knew that this woman is not okay upstairs. Anyway, she looks like she's dying. Someone told me that she's dying anyway, but she looks like she's dying anyway. But I don't give a damn. But at the end of the day, don't come online every Friday your camera on Maureen.
Susie,
like you give a damn about her.
Susie, leave her. One thing I know for sure is truth is constant. Let them continue. They be saying all sorts of. You see, you know what? They are crying that I cyberbully them, but they sent out blogger to be sending wrong messages to cyberbully me since all these days. Have I ever answered anybody?
Maureen, wait. You have never answered this woman, I know. But this woman came to you when she saw you online doing well.
Yes.
She turned around and was like, oh, please, can you help me? You see me, Maureen, you know me 100% how I roll. Do not stab your friend in the back. This woman has helped you in the past. Not once, not twice.
Model is age 353 billion, 894 million.
You are there online opening your camera. What I did,
I'm live, but do you want to talk?
I didn't see her post. Thank God, Maureen is out.
I'm fine. I'm doing great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, dear.
Why would she not? Why would she not come out and celebrate you since she was so concerned?
Because she's a bitter woman. She is bitter.
Exactly.
Something is eating her up that she doesn't tell anybody. And I saw it. Immediately I saw her bringing her drama, I just blocked her out. And I ignore all her tantrums.
Wait, Maureen. Now she has teamed up with Jola Show. What is that about? You guys tell me.
It's a damage control strategy. You see, if you don't know this woman, you will continue to feel she's somebody. Somebody that came online, that brought Doris Ogala, and she knows the story. When the truth came out, she brought Doris Ogala and Dada Masis to come and do damage control. She's a woman of no integrity. Forget about all this packaging.
Maureen, can I ask you? I'm going to ask you two things, right?
Go ahead and ask me that. You know, I will tell you.
The Doris Ogala situation was going on, and Doris Ogala admitted to hiding the baby testimony disappearance. Did she ask Doris Ogala at any point of time, where is baby testimony?
She said it's not concerning them. Oh, her platform is for everybody. Don't ask.
And she's meant to be a mother, and it don't concern her. One, that's the first one I wanted to ask you. The second one I wanted to ask you is, there was a time that this same Jonah Osho idiot was abusing her. Now she's bringing him on her show to backbite you. Secondly, wait.
You see, Yoruba. Let me answer your question. You see, Yoruba. I know you understand Yoruba. Rikishi pa wọ́n pọ̀ wọ́n dọ̀rẹ́ nǹkan tó pa wọ́n pọ̀ ló máa tú wọn ká. Very soon, trailer will pass through. Oh my God, anyone go and write it down.
Wait. That one hand small. What does that mean? That one tough.
What I'm saying is, you see this church author that put them together because they want to change the narrative. They want to discredit their life. They want to say Maureen is lying. She's doing everything because of money. They put themselves together. God will scatter them. Said although they will surely gather, their gathering is not of God.
Wait, Maureen, I want to tell you, I was on her show, the one show that I've attended that this woman done. And Amos came up. If you see how excited this bitch
you see, Susie, what I've done for Amos, and I'm saying it here, everybody should hear. Let Amos come out. Let Amos himself come out to come and say it. Whatever I do for Amos, may God pay me and my children back. Chicken.
Amen.
I don't know Amos from Adam. Let me give everybody that is listening a little one. You see Amos thing. You see Amos thing. I've said something. You see me. I don't use my hand like this to build a house and come and dismantle it. That is why you see anybody that I bring on my platform that I've helped in the past, even when they misbehave, I don't come online to come and start attack them. No, go and check my record very well. Even when Otobo misbehaved, I ignore her. Because when they went to go and pay Otobo to come and do drama, what did I do? I was just looking. But eventually when Doris Ogala was scattering everything, she sent me all the things that happened behind closed doors. How they paid Prof S to use that one to attack me with Otobo's case. What did I do? I ignored them. You see, Amos own. Let Amos come out to use his mouth to come and say what I did to him. And then I will come out with evidence. I will come out for how much I spent.
Okay, Maureen.
Amos has been with his oga for how many years? I thank God I took Amos and his wife and their daughter to London. Amos, when Amos was running, he said they want to kill him. For one, even they brought on my YouTube channel. After the money they were able to raise for Amos on this cyberspace was $5,000. That 5,000.
What did you spend on him?
I spent close to 20,000 on Amos. Even the tickets to carry wife, carry pikin, and himself to London. We are all living in London now. And Amos,
wait,
how did he get to London? I bought his ticket twice. I bought his ticket. I stick. Even the case I have now, it was through Amos. He will never see better if he use his mouth like this, say anything bad about me. I don't know him from Adams.
Wait.
I don't know Amos. And you see the idiot that is talking. How many people have you helped on your platform?
Nobody.
People have given 500,000. They are on my platform. People are giving money as a being on my platform. People have raised money for Armenia on my platform. I am not in my village.
Stop saying that word, please. Don't say.
I'm sorry.
In my village, I've been doing charity in the last 7 years. I know how much I spend on charity. I don't make noise. I don't come online and to be saying I don't show off. I am not hungry, Nigerian. I'm not hungry. When they even said that, it has finished for her, concern me. Because I know they buga. So they said I'm hungry, but God is blessing me nyafo. When they gathered together, when they were cursing me, that was when God opened the gate of wealth for me. So why should I bother?
I know.
So,
Maureen, wait.
Either they like it or not.
Maureen, no.
Either they like it or not, God is on my side. Gidigba. I am not suffering.
Amen.
So, Amos said, let Amos bring it up. Amos, when I have to help Amos to Rwanda, Amos did not work for one day. Amos has with wife. I paid rent. I fed him. I have proof. I have how much I spent every month. So, Amos, if anybody talk to me, it's not Amos. And let him bring it on. So anybody like to go back to them. I've said it here. The evil that I did to Amos, may God pay me and my family back. Finish. I picked. You know how Nigerians. Amos, when he got to Rwanda, he cannot even come out. I had to pay a ticket for a wife to go to Kenya to go and get visa. I had to transport Amos from that place and his wife back to Nigeria again. And at the end of that, they came to do everything, biometric and everything before they going back to London. When he was going twice, what that big way, there is some evil forces that is after him. But I stood my ground. I said, yes, I must help. So what else do you want me to do? Now let him. I don't know him now. I don't know him from Adams. You cry to me online, and I'm asking Aduni that is talking. Of all the people how many things have you done for people that come to your platform?
So Maureen, this is what gets to me, was that she was on her show, and for the first time, I was watching her show because somebody sent the link to me. Now, while she was on the show, next thing, and people that were on that show can testify if I'm lying, next thing I heard her say, oh my God, Amos is here. Oh, Amos.
That is the meaning of Alabosi. That is the meaning of Alabosi, and Amos is the number one ingrate. Let him bring it. Amos, come out. I don't know you from Adam. Did I take from your money? How much did I spend on you? Thank God, your money is on GoFundMe is there. I'll go and bring it out and I'll bring the receipts. But because because you see, when you are an ingrate is an ingrate. It's because I refuse. I can't continue to come online to come and talk about somebody I've helped in the past. I'm not the one that helped them. God give me the privilege to just use me as a vessel. So why should I come on live? You are a human being, you can misbehave.
Sorry, Maureen, can you see somebody that wrote and she was like so excited that Maureen crashed your marriage. Can you come up? Can you come up? She was so excited. Maureen, I have to go up.
Who said I crushed her marriage? Let the person come out. Let's dig it out.
Anthony, you see the suffering that is showing on your face. That is how it will show in your life.
Amen.
Because you don't look like a happy person at all.
Because she's bitter.
You look like a very sad B-I-T-C-H. Huh? I'm finished, Maureen.
Okay.
You know, you will talk after.